Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And guys, I want to give you a special welcome back because I've kind of been away a few days and I've missed you guys, and I really do appreciate my subscriber friends. You guys are great. I love the comments. I love getting back with you and hearing your opinions on things. And I also like it when I can bring a box that I think you all like pretty well. And if you're new here, I would ask you to consider subscribing. It is free, and we do a lot of unboxings, collaborations. We do some PR, like where businesses send me items for review for you to take a look at. And just lots of things. Of course, we get friend mail. We do some beauty things. And like I said, we do collaborations and giveaways. But today, we're having singles swag. That's right. This is the Single Swags April box. This box is full of 6 to 8 items. Get a variety of things in here, including a little lifestyle. So this is a kind of a, like it says, hashtag love yourself. It is a self-care box and it runs $39.99 a month. I do have a coupon where you can receive $15 off your first box, and I will have that down in the description for your convenience. But today we are going to open up the April box and see what they have in store for us. I will also tell you on occasion, Single Swag will have 40 to 50% off their boxes, and you can subscribe monthly, quarterly, 6 months, or yearly on that. So you can get quite the savings. And I did that, and I do get this box for around $17 a month. So I get a great value, and you can too, if you can find one of those coupons. But if you can't, I have my $15 off in the description below. Here we go. Let's find out what they have for us. I always tell you, you don't have to be single to enjoy Single Swag. Now, as we open up this box, you will see that they have their card on top. So that is our product card. Looks like we have a $201 value. And this is their black paper, and this is some of the items that we have inside. Now, I will tell you, after you've subscribed to Single Swag for a while, they do seem to do some repeats, and I already recognize a couple of things in there, but we're still going to go through it. They're still usable and good items, and more than likely I've already used the ones that are in here. So like I said, we have a $201 retail. It is the April box. It says put yourself at the top of your priority list every single day. Relax, smile, and enjoy this month's special surprise just for you. And that is kind of their slogan. Looks like we have 8 items in here. And the first thing I'm seeing is a Violet Harper is the brand, and it's an Elena Link necklace and earring set. So let's see if we can't find that. That would be right here. And there's the box, the Violet Harper. And let's see how we're going to open this up. I will tell you on their jewelry, and I don't know what this is going to be, but I will tell you it's usually overpriced. And this here says it is $55 for this chain necklace and these little button earrings. And I would be hard-pressed probably for that, but let's see what they have to say. Make a statement with this fashion-forward, weighty gold-plated necklace and round hammered earrings that are perfect for dressing up or dressing down, day or night. This necklace measures 16 inches with a 4-inch extender. So it is a nice necklace overall. But like I said, I do think that their jewelry is overpriced, and I would be hard-pressed to spend $56 for this. Maybe for the set, I might do $20. I don't know. That's about what I would do. But even if you have to, still a pretty good value. But that is just my opinion on that and of others. So keep that in mind if you subscribe. You are going to get a little bit of couple of items that you may feel are inflated in pricing. And I don't know why they do that. And heck, that could actually cost that on that particular site. So, I mean, it is possible. But anyway, our next item is Sea of Flowers, and it's mini pads of color. It's got a $6 value. And let's see what this is. It's right here. Sea of Flowers, mini pads of color. And I guess this is just like a little coloring book to kind of relax and color. And that's kind of neat. Now, I have not seen this, and I have seen this jewelry before. I've seen the hammered earrings. I don't know about the necklace itself, but I have seen those hammered earrings before. So we got us an apple with some flowery daisies in there, a tree. Let's see what it has to say about this. This is relax and unwind at home or on the go with this uniquely formatted adult coloring book with tear-out pages that will fit perfectly in your purse, your briefcase, or travel bag. Have fun and explore your creative side. And I would have to say, I probably like that. That's kind of a nice little thing, and I've not gotten this before. This is new. So, and that could be very relaxing. It's very therapeutic to color, so I like that. The next item is by Sunset Park, and let's see what that is. It is one of the repeats that I was talking about. Sunset Park. It is a candle. It's a Metro Weave lavender candle, and it's a $20 value. This all-natural, slow-burning candle in a decorative tin has a clean and alluring floral aromatic scent, and it smells pretty good. I'm not sure if it's for me. I can tell that it's got a little bit of the floral. I'm not really smelling too much lavender, but it is a cute little design and a nice little candle, and it's a $20 value according to them. I don't know that I'd pay $20. It's not very big. As you can see, it's pretty small. So, not sure on that either. Our next item is by Verdeta, and this is an aqua bouncing mask. This is rose and berries, and this is an aqua bouncing mask, as I had said. It's a $32 value. It's infused with rose water and raspberry extract. The brightening face mask will leave the skin refreshed and hydrated with a natural glow. Layer over clean skin and rinse with lukewarm water after 5 to 10 minutes while gently massaging into the skin. So, that's pretty nice. I like rose water. It is sealed, so I'm going to leave it that way. I don't know if I've gotten that in this box, but I have gotten this product before. I recognize the nice little fancy wooden lid, which is kind of a nice touch. And again, that was $32. Our next item is a St. Lexi. It is a shimmering body oil, and it looks like the lid come open. I don't know that I've used this brand before, but that looks very nice. It says, give your skin an intense and sun-kissed glow with this lightweight, luxurious formula. The vanilla-scented oil will leave your skin oh so soft for hours after use. And this is $32. I'm going to put some on real quick. There we go. I hope you can see it. I'm going to put that cover back on. I would not say that smells like vanilla. Yeah. I'm having a hard time getting a vanilla scent out of that. I wonder if it needed to be shook up. I'm going to try it again. A little bit more. I will say it shimmers. That part is true. But I don't get a vanilla scent. Now, it's definitely oily, so it's definitely going to give your skin some, moisture. And it seems to be absorbing really quickly. But again, I do not smell vanilla, so I don't know if they're just dreaming on that or what. But that was the Lexi, and it feels good. I'll have to say it's absorbing quickly, and even on my hands, it's absorbing fast. So I like that. And it was a $32 value. Now our next item is, every once in a while they send us a snack. And they sent us a kind bar. And this is extra dark chocolate, nuts and sea salt. My favorite. I love dark chocolate. An extra dark chocolate, and this ought to be great. So they sent this to the right person. Now it's a $4 value, and we already know it's the extra dark chocolate, nut, and sea salt. The limited edition offering from Kind applauds and thanks the Military Academy. Enjoy. So it's a limited edition. All right. Okay. For $18, we have the Mako Beauty. This is the Mermaid Glow Highlighter, and you're going to achieve a gorgeous from within glow with this highlighter containing 5 on-trend universal flattering shades. The finely milled powder blends seamlessly into the skin for a radiant, luminous finish. And let's see if we can see. It says Miko or Mako, or I don't know if that's MAC company. Let's take a little look at this, see how the packaging is. Ooh, that looks pretty cool. Look at all those different colors. I would not have expected that. That's really cool. Now I wonder if you could use those for eyeshadows as well, because I like to use purples and blues. So that's very interesting, but it says it's a glow highlighter, so I guess that's what it is. I'll have to try that out. It looks very interesting for $18. And our last item is Simply Glowing, and this is Glow on the Fifth Beauty. I guess, yeah, Glow on the Fifth Beauty. Guys, this is totally sealed, so I'm going to leave it in its shrink wrap, and it's just going to stay in this package, and we're going to talk about it. It is a $34 value. It's a Simply Glowing Vitamin C Serum. Well, now I'll probably like that. Now it says the lightweight serum will leave you simply glowing, formulated with hydrating vitamin C and licorice root to help reduce the appearance of textured skin and bring about a more natural glow. Use both morning and night for best results. Oh my goodness, well, I'm tempted to get into this. It's cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, and phosphate-free. I'm going to keep it intact because even though I'll probably use this, I want to keep it as fresh as possible because it's vitamin C, and I've got one that I'm working on right now. So I think that's a great product. Now, out of all of these items, I did get a couple of repeats, and one of them was this candle, and the other was this necklace. And I think that was all I got as far as a repeat that I've gotten before. And I know I've gotten them before out of the Single Swag. I've been subscribed to them for almost 2 years. So, I mean, I don't know if they get new product or they're just like throwing in product, because I just can't smell any lavender, but I can smell floral on that. But it's still a cute little candle. So let's go over this as a recap, and you let me know what your favorite item is in the comments. And we got this Sunset Park candle. We got this Violet Harper jewelry set, and I do like the fact that it came with a necklace and the earrings. So that is very nice. I like that. It'd make a nice gift. And even though I don't think it's worth $56, it does have a value. I would give it half. We got our Rose and Berries Aqua Bouncy Face Mask. We got this wonderful Simply Glowing Vitamin C Serum, which I'm going to love. We got this St. Lexi Shimmering Body Oil, and I will say it does shimmer, but the vanilla scent, it's not there. So I can't say that it has the vanilla scent, but I can say that it's probably, the value of around $30 is probably on target for the brand. We got this really neat Mako Beauty, however you say it. I'm going to take it out of here again because I just thought that was adorable. This is going to have your skin glowing with colorful highlights, it looks like. That's very interesting. I've not seen anything like that. And then we got our Sea of Flowers, my little coloring book that I can relax a little bit and just slow down and color. And then I got my snack, and this was very good for me because I do love dark chocolate. So that was my box for Single Swag. What do you think? Let me know. And guys, be sure and check my descriptions because I have several collaborations that are out and are ending. And I have more that will be coming, and there are giveaways involved with each one of those. So if you're interested in that, then be sure and check that out. I had a really fun April Fool's collaboration, which I'm sure all of you would enjoy. If you haven't seen it, I'll put it up there for you to go take a look. And as for today and Single Swag, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.